Finding out my husband has had 50 affairs during our marriage with a bunch of women. When I am with someone, I'm with them. I don't look at other people, I don't entertain advances anyone makes towards me, I don't flirt with anyone else. I'm devoted in every way. People are making me feel crazy for wanting the same energy given back to me. I can't wrap my head around him wanting to kiss someone else, to be an inch away from them and smile and then start effing. I don't want to think about it. But it's all I'm thinking about. It's been almost 8 days since I left and it's my only thought. I am losing my mind in a crappy hotel room thinking about the guy I love effing some random woman who doesn't exist. I'm lost. I don't know what to do. I do want to say how amazing he is. He buys me flowers every Friday. He stands up for me when no one else does. He looks for me in every room. He makes me feel like I matter. He makes my grayest days bright and clear. And the smile I used to fake isn't fake anymore. He has never judged me for the things I do. He's never made me feel bad for having off days. He just makes me feel loved. My birthday was last month, and he made me a book filled with pictures of us he's taken over the years, with the last page being blank so he can add our wedding picture eventually. Above each picture was what he was thinking when he took it, and below is how he was feeling at the time. Part of being me is I need constant reassurance that he does love me, so I ask him those things a lot. It means everything to me, and it's my favorite thing I own. I'm just trying to say he is great despite this one thing. He said he'll do anything for me to come back. We can push the wedding back and just work on ourselves, or call it off completely and just be together. He will never bring it up again and he's deeply sorry he ever wanted to do it, and I believe him. Time changes people, though. I just want an unbiased opinion from someone whose life will not change by my decision. They tend to be more truthful. I love him, and when I look at pictures of him, I hear wedding bells, and I see the house he wants to buy with me and the 2 kids he wants to adopt at some point. I don't want the rehashed when trust is gone. It doesn't come back, or you know the answer. Leave. I do trust him. I don't trust the things I'm telling myself over and over about what may happen in the future. He has never given me a reason to not trust him, but I don't know.